Hi, I am Lisa, the Ukulele Fool, and today on my channel we've got a treat. Meet the other Lisa.
Hi, Lisa.
Now it's a pandemic going on right now. We can't play together, so don't you think we can add a little singing and playing together here for the folks on YouTube?
Great idea. And I'm going to play my egg shape.
Oh, good idea. Then I'm going to get dibs on the kazoo.
Okay, you should take the lead, and I'll sing some background
Oh,
vocals.
that would be very cool. You do a great job on background vocals.
I have got this great idea for a bass line, and then maybe some responses in the chorus. I love singing harmony.
Ooh, great ideas. Well, and this just fits in with our tutorial today, which is I like to teach the world to sing. So what we're going to do is we're going to do the play along first, something unusual and different, and then we'll do a little bit of the tutorial. I'll go over the strumming, I'll go over the chords, we'll practice that a little bit together, and then Lisa's going to offer a little bit on how she did cool background vocal stuff that she does. All right? Well, I got to get ready here. Let's teach the world to sing.
What great timing for the world right now.
One, two, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Do 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 do
I like to build the world a home and furnish it with love. Grow apple trees and honeybees as no one turtle does. I like to teach the world to sing in perfect harmony. I like to hold it in my arms and keep it company. I like to see the world for once, all standing hand in hand, and hear them echo through the hills for peace throughout the land. I like to teach the world to sing in perfect harmony. I'd like to hold it in my arms and keep it company. I'd like to teach the world to sing in perfect harmony. I'd like to hold it in my arms and keep it company. I'd like to build the world a home, furnish it with love, grow apple trees and honeybees as no white turtle does. I'd like to teach the world to sing in perfect harmony. I'd like to hold it in my arms and keep it company. That's the song. I'd like to teach the world to sing in perfect harmony. I'd like to hold it in my arms and keep it company.
Let's get down to some brass tacks here. Well, first of all, hit the like button if you think you're going to like this, and you can change your mind later if you'd like, and subscribe. And I really appreciate people that subscribe and hit the notification bell. Helps other beginning ukulele or people that are developing their ukulele journey to find tutorials that I do. Are you familiar with the island strum? If so, then this is just the second half of the island strum. So you've got a rest on the beat. Up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up. Don't want to think that hard to have a silent downbeat. Ba-da-da, ba-da-da. Not a problem. You're not going to offend me in the least. You could do an island strum on this. I like to teach the world to sing in perfect harmony. Not a problem, right? You could do something even simpler. You could do down, 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 down. I like to teach the world to sing in perfect harmony. Make it your own. This is just a suggestion to make it feel just a little more reggae, a little bit more trick, or not. It's up to you. That's what we use in the play along, and that's what I'm going to go over when we do the chords, which is what we do next. C to D7. That is kind of a cool chord transition. Thought I'd show it to you. You've got your C like this, and then you just lever this finger down. This gets to stay right here. If you want, you can take your middle finger and add a little extra oomph, a little extra strength. So you've got C, D7, 2, 3, 4. So you might just take a little time just to practice that, get it going. Oops, speaking of getting going, you hear that? That's one of my dogs thinking she needs to come bug me for treats. To make that transition then from the D7 to a G, if you're doing the stacking feature here for the D7, I just pivot and get those in place and then hop this finger over. And eventually it just kind of all happens together, but that's a start, like that. So again, just you work out those mechanics. When you're ready, let's try it with the strumming pattern. This is a box diagram. And it's a really useful tool because it tells you how many times you have to repeat each chord, because a standard chord chart doesn't really include that information. So each cell in this is worth 4 beats or 2 patterns of the up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So I just went through 2 cells of the C. That's how you would read this chord chart. Let's do it together, just as a practice of seeing if you've got the fluency on the strumming, and put it together. 1, 2, 3, 4. My chord charts include box diagrams. I have a link down below for Patreon. Please support me. You know, you can get in really cheap for $1 a month and get access to all my chord charts. And I try to make them very detailed and accurate. So let's do it again. 1, 2, and here we go. And here we go. Okay.
Harmony is a great element to add to a song. It celebrates the melody and brings some excitement to it. I always feel like a good harmony singer tries to blend in with the lead singer and tries to minimize differences in tone or the lyric pronunciation. I love to sing a couple lines together in the chorus, and in this song, some responses, kind of like an echo. That works really, really well, and it complements the melody, but it doesn't get in the way. That gives the lead vocal time to shine.